Hi, I'm Dr. Vinita Arora, and today we will talk about some aspects of controlling blood pressure. Now, once you have a high blood pressure, you have a tendency of giving up salt. Don't give up salt. Don't go on a no salt diet, go on a normal salt diet, which means that the food which is the salt which is added in the food continues as the same, but you have to avoid the table salt use, which means fruits and salad and dahi or whatever you are taking, juices you are taking, don't add salt to that, but don't avoid the salt in the diet per se. So some amount of salt is required in the body. Hence, go to a normal salt diet. Please don't go in for a low salt diet. Now, apart from that, to control blood pressure, you are supposed to take pills. The pills which have been prescribed to you by the doctor have to be taken regularly. Trust me when I tell you that taking the treatment regularly is better than irregular treatment for blood pressure. That will be more harmful to you. So take your pills regularly and keep your target blood pressure to be around 120/80. It should not fluctuate beyond that more than this. So the medicines have to be taken regularly. You have to go in for a regular checkup once a year at least, because the target organ damage because of blood pressure may happen in the heart or in the kidneys or in the eyes. So regular 1 yearly checkup should be done for your all target organs if you have blood pressure. And the most important thing, the questions we are asked is about exercise. Once your blood pressure gets controlled, that is the time when you start exercising. You can exercise in the gym or you can take a walk morning or evening in the park near your house, and your weight should be under control. In the gym, if your blood pressure is controlled, you can do treadmill, you can do cross trainer, you can do cycling, it's not a problem. However, lifting up heavy weights in patients who have blood pressure is not advisable. You can of course practice yoga, that will be a relaxation exercises if you do. That will be a positive effect towards the control of your blood pressure. Thank you.